This is how you can code a slash command bot in discord.js version 14. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download Node.js and Visual Studio Code. So Node.js, you're going to want to download the recommended for most users right here. And then Visual Studio Code, just download the stable build for Windows. And then once you have all that software on your computer and it's installed, then you'll be good to go. The next thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go to the Discord developer portal. We're going to click on applications. So we're going to go ahead and click new application. We can give this a name. So we'll do v14/command/tutorial. I guess that works. And we can go ahead and agree to the terms of service and create our new application. So you can give your bot a description. The description is going to go ahead and show up right here. This is in the about me. If you don't give it a description, it just won't have anything in It's about me. So that's up to you. It'll look like this, but I would recommend giving it a description. This is Mr. J Awesome's tutorial/command bot. You can add an icon if you want. I'm just going to do the Discord logo. I guess. But yeah, you don't have to change anything here. We're going to go ahead and go into bot and we're going to click add bot. Yes, do it. We're going to go ahead and enable all of these. These are all the intents. You can have them on or you can turn them off. If your bot is not verified, I would recommend just turning them on because it's good to have them. But if you're planning on verifying your bot, I would recommend trying to code the commands without any of these intents because these intents are kind of hard to get. So yeah, but I'm just going to turn them all on. Now we're going to go ahead and add the bot to our server. So we're going to click this, we're going to click URL generator, we're going to click bots and application commands. Make sure you click that as well. We can go ahead and give it all the permissions here by giving it admin. We're going to go ahead and copy the link. We can paste it in here, and then we can just add it to the server, or you can paste it in a new tab if you want, but I'm going to add it to eski bot testing just like that. And then, yeah, we'll see that the bot is in the server. You can see it has the about me, the icon, looks a bit weird, and the name and all that stuff. It also has its own role with admin permissions. Alright, so now that we've done all that, we can actually go ahead and get started with the coding. Quick pause, I just want to say that if you haven't already, please add eski to your server, or servers. It's a really good Discord bot, it has everything you need, and it's verified, but we're still trying to grow, so add it up, please, and yeah, let's go ahead and get right back into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to join the Discord Coding Lounge in the description below. Then you're going to want to go to the /command package channel right here. When I upload the video, I will put the latest /command package in here, so you'll see that. But you're going to want to go ahead and download it, just like this, continue download. It will say this, obviously, but it's not potentially dangerous. It's just the code that we have. You'll see it all in the video, but yeah, go ahead and download it. Once you have the zip on your desktop right here, we can go ahead and open this up. You'll see you'll see a file and a folder. So to access these, we're going to go ahead and create a new folder. We can call this v14/tutorial, just like that. We can open it up and we can go ahead and drag these two files into the folder we just created. Then we can close out of the zip folder and we will see that we now have a folder with all the files we need to code. So we're going to go ahead and click up here and we're going to go ahead and type cmd. That'll open up the command prompt here. So what we can do is we can type npm i.env. That's the first thing we're going to want to install in the file here. So once that is installed, we can do npm discord.js, and this is just going to install the most recent version. So yeah, we'll install discord.js version 14 right here, and then we can do npm init, just like that. Alright, so the package name, we're going to skip through that. Alright, so then the version, we can skip through that as well. The description, you can leave blank. Entry points, we're going to do src/index.js. Alright, for the test command here, we're going to do node src/index.js, just like that. We can leave the repository blank, we can leave that blank. We can just put in an author if you want, leave that blank, and just do yes, just like that. So now we can actually go ahead and type code space dot in the terminal, and then yeah, we'll be in the code file, so we have everything we need in here now. So now the last step is to just fill out all the information provided in the slash command package so that you can make this work for your bot. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to go into the .env file. We're going to see paste your token here. Get your bot's token, we're going to go ahead and go into the developer portal. We're going to click on bot. We're going to do reset token here. Yes, do it. You will need to put in a 2FA code if you have 2FA. So just go ahead and do that. Once you get your token, go ahead and copy it. Do not share this with anyone. I'm going to reset it at the end of the video. But yeah, once you get your token, just copy it. We'll go into the code file again. And we can go ahead and paste it right there. Go ahead and hit Control Save to save it, and we'll be good there. So we can open up the SRC here, and we can go into the functions here. We can go into handle commands, and we're going to see two more things that we need to do here. So the first thing that we're going to need to get is the client ID. And to get that, we're just going to go into the server that you added the bot to. We're going to click on the client. We're just going to copy the ID just like that. And then you can paste that right there. And so there's guild commands and global commands. By default, I have set it to global commands because I'm assuming you're going to want to add it to more servers than just one. But even if it's just going to be to one server, this will work perfectly fine. I would still recommend putting your client ID in anyways. So we can go ahead and click up here. We can do copy client ID, and we can go ahead and paste that in here. If you don't see any of the IDs, you're going to have to turn on the developer mode in your account settings. But yeah. Alright, so once we've set that up, we should be good to go. All this stuff is already set up for you. So now we're going to go ahead and try to turn the bot on and see if we have any errors, and then we can go ahead and create our first command. To turn it on, we're going to open the terminal. We're going to do node space dot, just like that. And as you can see, it refreshes the slash commands and says ready. And if we go in here, the bot is online. Now, if we type slash, this is the test, by the way. It's not the actual bot. There are no commands yet, so we're going to go ahead and do that now. So we can go into the commands folder right here. We can go to community or other, wherever you want to put this, and we can create a new file called test.js. Test.js, just like that. Alright, so now what we're going to want to do is we're going to define the slash command builder. So we can do const slash command builder equals require. In here we can do at discord js/builders, just like that, semicolon here. Then we can do module exports equals, open this up, we can do data new slash command builder, and then under that we can do set name test, and then we can make a description, set description. And then here we can say, this is the test command, just like that. We can add a comma here, comma, just like that. And then under here we can do async execute interaction client, and then we can do a curly brace here. We can open that up and we can say await interaction dot reply. We can do content, and then we can do the bot is working, just like that. Then we can go ahead and close that off with a semicolon, and yeah, we're good to go now. So we can do control save, we can open up the terminal, do node space dot again, and we can test this out. Alright, so now that the bot is online, we're going to see it's online here. We can go ahead and open up the slash command menu here, and as you can see, the bot's logo is right here. If we click on it, we will have our test command right there. Also, if we just type test, then it will show up here as well. So we can try the test command, and as you can see, it will say the bot is working. So yeah, that is how you code a Discord bot in version 14 with discord.js. Again, you're going to need to join the help server or the coding lounge in the description below if you want the slash command package. But if you do need any help with this anyways, just go into the help channels and we'll be able to help you out. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video.